Hello glass industry, it's Mark from Glass Open Book, and today I decided to tell you about the French company called Sonicam. They are experts in the design and the manufacture of machinery and equipment for mold manufacturing and mold maintenance in the glass container industry. One of the products that they are showcasing on Glass Open Book is RS4P, Plunger Polishing System, that provides a mirror finish surface on both new and repaired glass plungers for an efficient container glass production. Two sections enable to polish plungers of different sizes at the same time and horizontally in order to prevent oil leaking on the chucks. Aside from these, Sonicam showcases products for mold polishing, mold drilling, high-quality abrasives and consumables, and so much more, all of which can be found on their Glass Open Book profile. Finally, don't forget that I have started a new contest on LinkedIn where Sonicam and some other companies from the hollow glass industry are fighting for the win. The winner will get a full and comprehensive overview video from us. So go and support your favorite company by following it on Glass Open Book. Alright, I must get back to work. See you later. Bye!